What's up? Okay, this is Chief Mountain I'm hiking. I decided to go hiking in Colorado, and holy shit, I'm a little out of breath. It's let me get you down. It literally is a trail, like a little trail. Yeah, okay, so west of Denver, South Idaho Falls, and I come up, what the hell was it? Squaw Pass. Squaw Pass is not something you want to do in a semi-truck, so I dropped the trailer. I bobtailed up here. Still a crazy ass ride. And we're well over 9,000 foot. And it's cold, but holy shit, is it beautiful here. This is amazing. But I gotta try to get to the top of Chief Mountains because I want to see the views. It's unbelievable here. And then I gotta get out of here because the snowstorm coming back in tonight. And I don't have chains. And most of these roads are impassable once it gets to snowing like that. But yeah. Shit, I might not make it. It's a hell of a workout. But oh wow. Check out this view. Check this out. That's beautiful up there. That's beautiful. Looks like a decent road, but that's not my trail to get to the top. There's my stupid trail. What we got here? Oof. Don't worry, I just busted my ass. But Chief Mountain. Okay. Whew. Wish me luck. We're gonna keep hiking. See y'all there.